Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Data often gets passed between systems, people, or departments, but when the flow isn't clear, information can get lost, misrouted, or misinterpreted. Data flow diagrams map the movement of data, showing where it comes from, where it goes, and how it's processed. This clarity helps teams avoid errors and design more efficient systems. Data flow diagrams, or DFDs, provide a visual map of data movement. Today, we're exploring data flow diagrams, a technique that makes it clear how data enters, moves through, and exits a system. Let's see how the information actually flows. Why does understanding data movement matter? DFDs visualize how data flows, so everyone knows exactly where information goes. They reveal bottlenecks and gaps, helping you spot inefficiencies early. They improve communication between business and technical teams, ensuring everyone is aligned. And they support better system design, reducing errors and misalignments long before implementation. Here's why DFDs are so effective. They simplify complex processes by breaking data flows into clear, manageable steps. They align business and IT, understanding, making sure everyone is looking at the same picture. And they identify potential risks in data handling early, reducing mistakes, confusion, and costly rework. When should you map data flows? Use DFDs when designing or redesigning a system to visualize how data moves. They're great for process improvement projects to spot inefficiencies. They're essential for integration work, helping clarify how systems exchange information. And they help define data requirements clearly, ensuring stakeholders and developers agree on what data is needed. So, how do you actually create a DFD? Start by identifying the processes and external entities, systems, users, or departments. Then map the data flows between them, using arrows to show how information moves. Next, define the data stores or repositories, making it clear where information is kept. Finally, validate the diagram with stakeholders to ensure it reflects reality and meets business requirements. Let's walk through a real example. Imagine a university library system. The key processes are borrow book and return book, which handle the main library transactions. The data stores include the catalog, which tracks all available books, and borrower records, which track who has borrowed what. The external entities are the student and the librarian. Here's how the data flows. When a student requests a book, the borrow book process is triggered. The system updates the catalog and borrower records, and the student receives a confirmation. When returning a book, the return book process updates borrower records and the catalog, and the librarian is notified. This DFD makes it clear who does what, where information is stored, and how data moves through the system. It helps the team identify bottlenecks, missing flows, or potential errors long before the system is built or improved. Some tips to make DFDs work better. Keep them simple. Complexity can overwhelm viewers. Use consistent symbols so everyone instantly recognizes processes, data stores, and flows. And validate your diagram with real users to ensure it reflects actual practice, not assumptions. To wrap up, DFDs give you a clear visual understanding of how data moves through a system. They help teams spot gaps, improve communication, and design better solutions. Next, we'll explore process modeling to visualize the full sequence of activities. See you then.